This is the fourth level we've made with the Portal 2 editor, inspired by the Spider-Verse movie, the scene where they have to escape the lab. This room in particular is the cafeteria. The cafeteria is an open room with two floors as shown in the movie, and even though the second floor is never explored in the movie, the player will explore the second floor in this level to solve the main puzzle. As we can see in this level, as well as having the final door to be accessed with the cube we've been using in the other levels, the player will also need to find a way to take down the laser wall to access the final door. Only the first and the last puzzle will require the player to use the main cube, as the main puzzle of the level is to take down the laser wall in the end of the level and to enter the final door, and that will require the player to find a way to activate the last laser switch that is next to that wall. And as we can see, it can't be done with just one reflecting cube. So the player will need to find another reflective cube to re-reflect the laser and take down the laser barrier. In this final level, we wanted to combine the three mechanics that have been used in the other three levels, those being the laser and reflective cube, the frizzlers, those being the barriers that disintegrate the cubes and finding a way around them, and the moving platforms. So in that way, we've combined the three mechanics in the second floor, having the player have to take a moving platform to a spot where they have to portal the laser to take down the barrier to allow for the reflected cube to pass to the first floor, thus completing the main puzzle of the level. And with the laser barrier taken down, the player will still need to find a way to take the cube without passing through the fizzler, and that is easily done simply placing a portal before reactivating the fizzer, taking out the cube of the first switch.